Hi, this is the EC for You channel. So today's video, as you can see in the title, is gonna be about how to apply lashes. I thought I would make this video because I wanted to show you my techniques, few techniques that I picked up just to show you guys what worked for me. You never know, maybe it might work for you guys. So stay tuned if you want to know how to apply lashes without using any tools, just your fingers.
Tell me, will you stay or will you walk? Yeah. Always have my eye on you like I'm a hawk. And sometimes I would think you would bring me luck.
As you can see, I have no lashes. Like, my lashes are so small, it's like it's barely there.
I said I'm making all the calls, I don't Once you seen it all, baby, tell me.
Step one is I like to put my mascara first. This is my favorite mascara. It's the extended play lash.
And I'm never stopping till my mama's out of debt. I got it all. Now what's left?
Okay, so now that I have lashes on, you see just a small difference onto the eye look. I like to have two different eyelash glue. I love the brand Duo Glue. So I love using the white one, clear one, when I don't have any eyeliner on top. I love it. When I have like an eyeliner or wing liner, I like to use the black one, which is the one in red. So because I have no eyeliner on, I'm gonna use the white one. And the reason is, if I were to go in with the black lashes, the black Duo Glue, and I were to make a mistake, I don't want to clean up and I don't want to risk messing up my my eye look. So that's why I would go for clear. If you can get both, I would recommend the clear one because it's more versatile. I like to put it on top of a container, any container. So because I already wore these lashes, when you first receive the lashes, you wanna start from the inner and go as close to the baseline as you can and pull them away. You don't want to pull them from the hairs of it because you could damage the lashes. You wanna wiggle it a little bit around just so it's a little bit more flexible to your eye shape. And then I like to use the back of a brush. So here, I like to put a good amount. So it should look like this. So what you could do, if it's your own lashes, you could blow. Or I've seen somewhere, I don't know if it was on YouTube or I learned it at school or when I was working, you could just put your breath, your hot breath onto it. Because you want the glue to get tacky. Because if you put it when it's wet, it'll slip all over the place. But if it's a client you're doing for sanitary purposes, you could just wave it side to side. So the fun part is that the more you put it on, the more it kind of adjusts to your eye shape. And of course, I forgot to go into detail about when you receive your lashes, you want to measure them on first without the glue to see if it fits your eye shape, and if it needs a little trim, you always want to do it at the end of the lashes. So you see, this is the start of the lashes, so you would want to cut it at the end of this. Oh, you want to have your mirror and you want to be looking down when you put the lashes on.
Once you seen it all, baby, tell me what's next. I am the man, oh yes. It's funny how these niggas in a rush to cut the check.
And you want to get it as close as you can to the lash band. to your own lash.
I think I'm about to bring it home and just call it a night. I'll bring a set of twins with me, call them naughty and nice. Make a wish, I'll make a list, and then I'm checking it twice. All these niggas playing games, I'm just rolling the dice. See my wrist, you can tell that it's ice. Lovey-dovey, kiss, she want this man in her life. Being real is my religion, I'm still talking to Christ. And all the songs that I be writing, I hold all of the rights. Just know that everything in life,
so what I did is apply it right at the center and make sure the end is secure and then the inner is secure.
Now I got my soldiers with me, I don't even need to fight. Pull up with the phantom, people calling it, I'm making all the calls, I don't text. Once you seen it all, baby, tell me what's next. I am the man, oh yes.
And what you could do too to wait while the glue is getting dry is you could put your mascara on and dispose your glue on top of a container while you put your mascara on, so it could cut down on the time. I think that's pretty good. So that's how it looks like. You see how like the lashes makes it, the eye looks like even, wow. That's what the lashes, and that's what I want. So that's how it looks like. So it's a little bit, the glue is not quite dry yet, but it will dry clear. And I'm gonna do the other set of eye. So I'm basically doing the same thing. So when you apply them, you don't want to apply them too close to the inner corner of the eye, because that's when it starts to feel a little bit uncomfortable. When you first put lashes on, if your first time, you're gonna feel like you have something on, but as the day goes by, it literally will feel like nothing on. So when I first started to apply lashes and that happened to me, I literally thought my lashes fell off. But if you follow those steps, your lashes should stay put till the end of the day, till you take it off.
Without the pain, I said I'm making all the calls, I don't text. Once you seen it all, baby, tell me what's next. I am the man, oh yes. It's funny how these niggas in a rush to cut the check, I run the game.
So I like to let this, the glue, dry. It's gonna be like a little bit rubbery, and then they'll rub it out and throw it out. Then while it's wet trying to take it out, it's just gonna leave a hot mess. And to take your lashes off, all you want to do is take it out from the inner corner and roll it out. It's still slightly a little bit wet, but you see how close to the lash line. I know some people like to put mascara after they put the lashes on. I personally don't like to do that because I don't want to mess up the lashes. That's why I like to apply it before, so if there's any eyeshadow fallout, the mascara basically covers it up. So we're gonna do a run through of what we did. So your glue is tacky and they're on the lashes, so you want to have your mirror, look down, put it right in the middle. Then when you do right in the middle, you want to do the outer corner, you press it in. Then you want to do the inner corner, you press in, and you want to press in any that you feel looks unstable. It's like a Ziploc bag, so just basically making sure everything's pushed in. And then once you know everything's secure, you want to tighten. So basically pinch your lashes with the fake lashes. Pinch. And then sometimes what I like to do is to push it up, to kind of curl them in. Some people use eyelash curler. I could get away without using it. So yeah.
Me and all my niggas screaming out what's next. I've had a couple of vibes that I turn into tens. I've got a couple of friends.
So sometimes when you have eyeliner, it kind of messes it up. So you could just go over it, fix any fine line detail. So yeah, so I am okay with it. Works each and every time, guys. And this is like a thick band. And the amount of glue I want to say I put a really good amount. I don't go thin. So I put like a little bit over the moderate amount of glue because I know, you know, it will stay in place throughout the whole day. Another tip, save your boxes because you could use this as a guide to shape your lashes so they could be in place. So I saved all of mine, all of it. I like to save it. But yes, I hope this video was useful. I hope you guys learned something new, a new technique on how to apply lashes. So this is it for this video, guys, because if I got you and you got me, then life would be easy for you. Bye.
Tell me, will you stay or will you walk? Yeah. Always have my eye on you like I'm a hawk. And sometimes